In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Scuf discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and search for Scuf discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called simplycodes.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have at least three different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. And for example, if you want to get this 5% discount right here, all you need to do is select copy code right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from right here and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get this 5% discount. Also, we have this couponfollow.com website, and right here we have some promo codes as well. For example, if you want to get this $40 discount of your next order, all you need to do is select show coupon code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy it from right here and you can apply this promo code on your next order so that you can get this $40 discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.